We got the Shrouded Fable pack of Pokemon. Let's open them up and see what we get. Sorry, I'm just ripping the whole bag up immediately. I've been waiting to record this for like 10 minutes now. Alright, so let's check out our 3 bonus Pokemon. Yeah. So we got whatever the heck King I don't know what that even means. We got these 2. Yep. Okay, yep. Alright, I'm crazy. So we got the first pack. Alright, first pack is open up. Iron Moth? That's an interesting one. Oh, she's hot. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Yep, we don't care about those. Alright. I'm gonna put these with my collection. Alright. We got pack number 2. Which, by the way, the logo looks BA. What the heck is that? Oh! These are fun to open up. Don't care about those. So I'm gonna put these with my collection also. Then we're gonna open this up, which I love the tiger, okay? The tiger's awesome. Alright. Why is it hard to open? Alright, we got that guy. We got... That's a cute panda. Oh, I know this one. That was from, like, a few episodes from the, XY series. Oh my gosh, the one that hypnotized all those Pokemon in that one episode. Okay, we already saw those guys. Wow, we're getting quite a few new Pokemon. But let's go ahead and open the final pack, which is a monkey, as I expected. I legitimately got the same Pokemon from the last pack. Oh, I remember that dude. Golbat. I heard of that one. I already got that. Oh, what is that? That's a cool one. Iron Moth? I already got that one. Whoa, that is a cool one. What is this? I got another cool one. Anyways, that's every Pokemon I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. See you guys in next Pokemon episode. Peace!